Good morning, dear children. After second subjective assessment, we all are here again in our regular maths class. Children, today I have taken a new chapter of your math book, and the name of the chapter is Can We Share? Children, before the exams, if you remember, we all did multiplication, right? And here today we will do the chapter Can We Share? Right? Children, if I'll ask a question to you, you have 15 chocolates, right? And you want to distribute these 15 chocolates among your 5 friends. What you will do? You will take out 5 chocolates from 15 and distribute one chocolate to each of your friend, and the chocolate left 10. Again, this time you will take out 5 chocolates from the 10 and distribute among your 5 friends. Now this time you have left chocolates 5. Now again you will distribute one to each of your friend. Children, here you can see you have distributed the chocolate 3 times. Okay? It means each of your friend will get 3 chocolates. Right? Here, children, we are distributing the chocolates. So, we use the sign division sign. Okay? And 15 chocolates you had, and you have distributed these chocolates among your 5 friends. Okay? Now children, what we will do here, we will read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. How many times you read the table? 3 times. It means 3 will be your answer. So, in this chapter, we will learn about division and how can we get the answer by reading the table. Okay? So, let us start. Children, here you can see there are 10 butterflies and they are in 2 groups. Means you are dividing 10 butterflies in 2 groups. So we will use this division sign. This is a division sign. Now this time you will read table of 2. How many times you can read table? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8 and 2 fives are 10. So this 5 will be your answer. And here in this picture you can see 5 butterflies are in the group. Okay. Now let us see next. Here you can see and count number of caterpillars. Here 3, 7 caterpillars on 1 leaf. So on 3 leaves, how many caterpillars will be? 7 threes are 21. that you did before the exam. On one leaf there are 7 caterpillars. So on 3 leaves there will be more. 7 3s are 21 caterpillars, right? Here you can see how many leaves are there. 3 leaves means there are 3 groups. Up how there are dash caterpillars in each group without counting. How can you get it? What you will do? Total number of caterpillars divided in 3 groups. Now this time you will read the table of 3. How many times you read the table to get 21? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18 and 3 sevens are 21. It means you read the table 7 times. So what the answer you will get? There are 7 caterpillars in each group. Children, hope you all are getting it. Now let us see one more example. Here there are dash laddus. What you will do? On one plate there are 3 laddus. So on 4 plates, how many laddus will be there? 3 fours are 12 laddus. And how many groups are there? There are 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And there are dash laddus in each group. You can see in each group there are 3 laddus. In short, how can you do? 12 divided by 4 and that comes 3. So 3 laddus in each group. Children, hope you all have understood how can we share the things equally. We can share the things equally by dividing. Okay. Now here you can see draw 18 stars. Put them in 2 equal groups. Total number of stars 18. Groups are 2. It means you are dividing it by 2. Now this time you read the table of 2. How many times you read the table to get 18? Yes. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. And 2 eights are 16 and 2 nines are 18. It means 9 stars will be in each group. Okay. Now let us see here. Draw 18 beads and put them into 3 equal groups. It means 18 divided by 3. How many times you read the table to get 18? Yes, 3 6 are 18. So there are 6 beads in each group. Children, hope you all are understanding